Welcome back to my channel. I am Juliet Michael, your favorite motivational, leadership, business, lifestyle, and entertainment coach. I'll be
Hi,
speaking today.
welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be speaking to you about the 10th traits in my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, Insight into the Quality of Wealthy Billionaires. The trait is persistence. Persistence is being patient through your process in the entrepreneurial journey. How did you start your business? Where are you now? How persistent have you been in achieving your dreams and goals in that business? Your dreams and goals are actually realizable, but the trait of persistence is one that you need to actually make that business goal come to pass. As an entrepreneur, persistence is key. Own your entrepreneurial journey. Be patient through the process. Rome was not built in a day. Challenges will come definitely in the entrepreneurship journey, but your ability to remain patient, knowing that success will definitely be your story at the end of the day, makes you exceptional and unique. We have seen so many successful entrepreneurs today who have built their brands over the years. One trait that has made them stand out is the persistence trait, and that trait is what you need as an entrepreneur. I'm sure you would like to know more about this trait. I would encourage you to buy my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, to see more about the place of persistence in the entrepreneurship journey. Thank you for watching.